Hello everyone, I am Siri studying at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, 3rd SEM CSC branch. Now I am here to discuss about social connect and responsibility. The topic is organic farming and waste management. The contents I will be discussing about definition of organic farming and organic farming of types, properties, advantages and disadvantages. Next, about the waste management, definition of waste management, properties, types, advantages and disadvantages, and the last conclusion. Organic farming definition. Organic farming sustainable agricultural system that uses ecologically based pest controls and biological fertilizers derived largely from animal and plant waste and nitrogen fixing cover crops. Modern organic farming was developed as a response to the environmental harm caused by the use of chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers in conventional agriculture, and it has numerous ecological benefits. There are two types of organic farming, pure organic farming and integrated organic farming. In pure organic farming means avoiding all unnatural chemicals. In this process of farming, all the fertilizers and pesticides are obtained from natural sources such as bone meal or blood meal. Integrated organic farming includes the integration of pest management and nutrition management to achieve ecological requirements and demands. In integrated organic farming, the systems and ways of thinking about them evolved in space and time. Rapid evolution took place in the last 2 decades when crop and livestock yields increased. Together, with concerns about their socio-economic and biological trade-offs, the application of organic farming systems research to agricultural development was a response to problems arising from a predominantly reductionist approach to research and a corruption view of external inputs. The properties. Organic farming is an integrated farming system that makes strenuous effort for sustainability, the enhancement of social fertility, and biological diversity. It includes minimal use of synthetic pesticides, antibiotics, synthetic fertilizers, genetically modified organisms, and growth hormones too. This technique involved cultivation of plants and rearing of animals in natural ways. This process involves the use of biological materials, avoiding synthetic substances to maintain soil fertility and ecological balance, thereby minimizing pollution and wastage. In other words, organic farming is a farming system that involves growing of crops without the use of synthetic based fertilizers and pesticides. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: no chemical for resistance to pests and diseases. Supports healthier soil and pollinators. Does not use genetically modified food items. A healthy environment for the farmers to work. Organic farmers use natural fertilizers. Produces healthier food. The eco-friendly method of cultivation. In disadvantages, expensive food items, high production cost, rarely subsidizing farming method, insufficient knowledge and skills, the crop is susceptible to illness, low yield, rigorous certification procedure. Waste management. The definition of the management is the concept of waste management involves the collection, removal, processing, and disposal of materials considered waste. Waste materials can be solid, gaseous, liquid, or even hazardous and are generally generated through human activity. Historically, developed nations have dealt with their waste by sending it to landfills or burning it in incinerators. Both of these options come with some significant environmental problems. Types: landfill, incineration, anaerobic digestion, pyrolysis, gasification, recycling, resource recovery, waste valorization, and last, composting. Advantages are reduces pollution, conserves resources, creates jobs, saves energy, promotes public health. Disadvantages: costly, healthy hazards, environmental impact, limited resources, and insufficient. And last, the conclusion. Compared with conventional agriculture, organic farming uses fewer pesticides, reduces soil erosion, decreases nitrate leaching into groundwater and surface water, and recycles animal waste back into the farm. These benefits are counterbalanced by higher food costs for consumers and generally lower yields. Waste management can be defined as the collection, removal, processing, and disposal of materials considered waste. Eco-Life Dictionary. Waste can be put into landfills, incinerated, recycled, or compost. The most sustainable way to manage waste is to recycle and compost. In our research, we looked at how well informed the students at Carleton University are on recycling, as it is an important part of waste management. We decided to ask questions to do with things such as if being more informed would affect their recycling habits and if they know where to recycle used batteries. Thank you.